Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Periodic acid HIO4 cleaves vicinal diol 1,2 diol units. The number of moles of HIO4 consumed equals the number of vicinal diol pairs cleaved. Products depend on the nature of the carbon-bearing diol. A terminal CH2O gives HCHO, formaldehyde, an internal CH(O) gives HCO2H, formic acid, and a carbonyl carbon, C is equal to O, that would result from an aldehyde or ketone intermediate is counted accordingly. For option D, HO CH2CH or CH2OCH3. The structure is C1 is equal to HOCH2, C2 is equal to CH, or dash, C3 is equal to CH2OCH3. There is only one vicinal diol pair, C1, O, and C2, O. C3 has an OCH3 group, not O, so it does not participate in periodate cleavage. Cleavage of the C1-C2 bond. C1, terminal CH2O, HCHO, formaldehyde. C2, internal CH(O), with C3 attached bearing OCH3, this carbon becomes an aldehyde fragment OHC CH2OCH3, methoxymethyl aldehyde, not formic acid. So from 1 mole HIO4 consumed, the products are 1 mole HCHO from C1, 1 mole of OHC CH2OCH3 from C2-C3 fragment, which is not HCO2H. The table claims HCO2H formed is equal to 1, but the C2 carbon is a CH bearing another carbon, C3 with OCH3, so oxidation gives an aldehyde, methoxymethanol, not formic acid. Formic acid is only produced when a CH(O) has both neighbors cleaved, i.e., it is flanked by O-bearing carbons on both sides in the diol chain. Here C3 is not an O carbon and does not get cleaved, so C2 gives an aldehyde product, not HCO2H. Thus HCO2H formed should be 0, not 1, and HCHO is equal to 1 is correct, HIO4 consumed is equal to 1 is correct. The entry of 1 for HCO2H formed in option D is incorrect. Checking other options briefly. A. 1, 2, 3 propanetriol, glycerol to vicinal diol pairs, C1, C2 and C2, C3 to HIO4, C1 and C3 are terminal CH2O giving to HCHO, C2 is internal giving 1 HCO2H. Correct. B. RCH, O, CH, O, CH, O, CH2O, 3 vicinal diol pairs, 3 HIO4, RCH, O, terminal on R side gives HCO2H, times 1 from C1. Actually RCH gives RCHO not HCO2H. But R is treated as a non-cleavable group making it a terminal aldehyde counted as equivalent, the two internal CH, or groups give to HCO2H. This is a standard result accepted as correct. C. No vicinal diol, OCH3 replaces O on C2, so 0 HIO4, 0 products. Correct. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.